Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, sail steel for world's tallest girder rail bridge, India's longest tunnel. (802nd mass contact exercise held). And program on application of SPC techniques held at HRDC. Now the news in detail. Steel Authority of India Limited, SAIL, has supplied around 60,000 tons of steel material for the 111-kilometer long Jiribam Tupul Imphal New Broad Gauge Railway project. The project was taken up in 2008 and was declared a national project. Northeast Frontier Railway, NFR, is undertaking the construction of the project in Manipur, India. SAIL has supplied mainly TMT rebars and structurals along with HR plates and sheets, plate mill plates, etc. for this project, which bears the distinction of having in its ambit construction of not only India's longest tunnel but also the tallest girder rail bridge in the world. SAIL's branch sales office at Guwahati has been supplying the materials which are produced from its state-of-the-art new mills at Durgapur, ISCO, Rourkela and Bokaro steel plants. The project involves the construction of 111-kilometer long broad gauge railway line, which includes 9 stations along the way at Dolakhal, Kaimai Road, Kambiron, Thingau, Khongsang, Nonetupul, Hauchang Road and Imphal. 148 bridges and 45 tunnels, of which tunnel number 12 is 11.55 kilometer long, making it India's longest tunnel. In addition to this, a bridge is being constructed near None, which will become the tallest girder rail bridge in the world. At 141 meters, the bridge over river Iring River will be as high as 2 Qutub Minars stacked on top of each other. The project is being developed in 2 sections. The first section involves the construction of 84 kilometers of railway line connecting Jiribam to Tupul, which is on the verge of completion. The second section of 27 kilometers connecting Tupul to Imphal is expected to be completed by 2019. The 802nd mass contact exercise on the topic Planning for Turnaround and Transformation by Galvanizing Inner Strength was held at Gopabandhu Auditorium on 20th June. Mr. A. Acharya, GM Projects, chaired the session, while Mr. A.K. Srivastav, GM Mechanical, was also present on the dais. Many senior officers and cross-section of employees from different units of RSP participated in the session. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Acharya said, to achieve the targets set for 2018-19, we have to maximize production and minimize breakdowns. With the present growth strategy and augmentation of Blast Furnace 1, we can achieve our hot metal target through proper planning and implementation, he added. Referring to the present production performance, Mr. Srivastav called upon the gathering to maintain consistency in the production tempo. He emphasized on to improve the techno-economic parameters, produce accident-free steel, which will help in sustaining the momentum of the good performance in the coming months. At the outset, a video featuring an address of Mr. Ashwini Kumar, CEO RSP, on the occasion of annual performance review was screened, followed by AV messages of Mr. Ashwini Kumar, CEO RSP, on SAIL Uday initiatives of RSP, a short video film entitled Roads That Say Yes to Plastics, and 2 short videos on safety. Mrs. Barkha Sharma, OTC Power Distribution, and Mr. Alok Jena, SOST OBBP, elaborated on various aspects of the functioning of the plant and township and intervention and status of employees' suggestions. A section titled Media Showcase, compiled by PR Department, covering the stories published in the media during the month of May 2018 regarding the various successful endeavors of RSP, was also presented. Later, during the interaction session, employees gave suggestions pertaining to production, productivity, maintenance and safety issues. Mrs. Samita Mishra, Senior Instructor HRD, coordinated the session, which ended with Sankalp, a pledge-taking ceremony. A day-long program on application of statistical process control technique was organized at HRDC on 19th June. In all, 13 executives in the levels between E1 to E7 attended the program. The expert faculty from Business Excellence team, namely Mr. Devdatta Satpathy DGM and Ms. Munmun Mitra AGM, conducted the sessions. During the sessions, the participants were explained about the basics of measurement of central tendency and different graphical techniques for comparative and analytical study. The participants were also introduced to Six Sigma approach to improve the quality, productivity and profitability of the plant by minimizing variations. The program was coordinated by Mrs. Annapurna Behera, Assistant Manager HRD, with the help of Mr. P.K. Das, Senior Instructor HRD. That's all in this edition of Rourkela News. Namaskar.